You all might think what's about Metasploit Framework, but first of all I wanna tell that it's like a collection of tools that provide an environment for penetration testing and exploit development. It's based on a Ruby-based, modular penetration testing platform that enables you to write, test, and execute exploit code. The Metasploit framework contains a suite of tools that you can use to test security vulnerabilities, enumerate networks, execute attacks, and evade detection. So now let's talk how to use it. To use it, we need to access MS Console. First, let's talk about it. MS Console is a software that have a command line interface to access and work with the Metasploit framework. The MS Console is the most commonly used interface to work with the Metasploit framework. The console lets you do things like scan targets, exploit vulnerabilities, and collect data. Accessing MS Console on Linux. To run MS Console on Linux, open a terminal, cd into the framework directory and type .msfconsole. You can also use an easier method, which is to go to apps, then exploitation tools, and then Metasploit framework. Here comes our console. However, if this is first time you are accessing the console, you may see an error indicating that you are missing some gems. To fix this error, run bundle install to grab those gems. Getting help for MS Console commands. To view help while you are in the console, use the following commands. Type help to display a list of valid commands for the current mode. While you are in the main mode, the system displays help for the global commands that are available. When you are in the module mode, the system displays the help for the commands and options that are available for the module. And type info module name to view the options for a module. Here we come to an end. Today we learned some basics about Metasploit framework, and later in upcoming videos we would learn about how to perform attacks. We would provide the best knowledge about cybersecurity in TechForTonic YouTube channel.